Ari muthenya uria mutongoria wa mungethaniro egutanyitwo kuheana mwerekero uria gwataniro ikuoya thutha wa IEBC gutangatha President Kenyatta ta muhotani. Muthenya uyu ni ukinyire, Odinga akiuga ndaratambura uhotani wa President Kenyatta.
8 million plus votes Uhuru claimed to have secured in August with the fiction and vote fixing and manipulation of figures by the IEBC to be real.
Odinga akiuga ati nimeguthagania utongoria wa kando uria meguthondeka mbunge cia muingi icigo-ini ciothe cia ubunge iria irikuruhanagia aruti wira, ndundu cia aria akuru o ndumwe na mbeu njithi aria wira wao munene ni gutigirira arumiriri o matinatumikira riitana o riothe kuma kuri utongoria wa Jubilee.
The vehicle through which we will exercise the solemn duty of restoring democracy, constitutionalism and the rule of law. The People's Assembly will be a broad-based forum consisting of elected leaders and the leadership of other sectors of society, in particular workers, civil society, religious leaders, women, youth and economic interest groups. We will be announcing the date and program of the Assembly's inaugural convention in the coming days. The People's Assembly will continue to exist until a legitimate presidency is restored.
Raila agithie na mbere kuuga ati ona motungata ma makambuni maria magwetetwo gukorwo na thiriti na thirikari no meguteaniria.
The citizen movement shall be responsible for implementing a vigorous, positive political action program that includes economic boycotts, peaceful processions, picketing, and other legitimate forms of protest. If there is no justice for the people, let there be no peace for the government.
Na gukiri o uguo, Odinga no agithitie kiene maumirira maria IEBC irarekereirie kuria President Kenyatta arayukirie makiria ma kura milioni 7, akiuga ona thengia yawe kuyeheria githurano-ini ciake ciari nyingi makiria ma 70,000.
Chairman initially announced a figure of 48%, which translates to 9.4 million. On realizing how preposterous that was, revised it downward to 6.55 million. Translates to 33%. Many observers find even this figure optimistic. IEBC then embarked on manufacturing turnout to show that Uhuru Kenyatta has a popular mandate. Our figures which you have is 3.5 million votes that were cast properly.
Riu kiria gietereirwo ni mwerekera wa thirikari, kuna Odinga ndanahithuria kana ni mekwerekera igoti-ini kuhagika cira wa kuregana na uhotani wa President Kenyatta. Giriboti ya Kameme TV, nijitakuwa Mwaura wa Dongo.